Hi viewers, this video is about how to maintain stock status report with simplest way with the outward register. In outward register, there must be a 2 points. One is reference number and product ID. Based on reference number only, we can go for first in first out or last in first out. For that, first thing is, if the balance is there, then enter into outward register. Otherwise, try with other reference number. So, first formula should be, if the balance is more than 0, take the reference number. Otherwise, blank. This reference number will be used in reference number of outwards for list. So, we can able to easily, without manual entry, we can go for list. So, for that, just select it, data validation, then click on list, then give source, click OK. Once you give reference number, based on reference number, we need to get all the information from stock. For that, simply use index match function for date, product ID and description, cost. Quantity, outwards, number and dispatch should be manual one. Quantity in any case should not exceed the stock, reference of stock. That should be taken care. I just apply formula here. I just delete it. Simply index. For date, go to that stock, select date, freeze, comma, match, reference number, comma, need where to get, it should be a reference number of stock, comma, before that just freeze it, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, enter. Same way for product ID also, index match, index, product, freeze, comma, match, comma, in reference number just give range, freeze, comma, 0 for exact match, enter. Like this you have to maintain for description, cost. Outward number and dispatch date should be manual and quantity should be a manual, and in any case it should not exceed stock quantity. Once we enter quantity, then it should be reflected as utilized. for 905 to 2. So automatically it taken care of how much quantity utilized. If I add one more quantity, then automatically it will become 0. So once it becomes 0, then the next you will not get any listing on the outwards. You will not get 905 again. Just to fill the details for outward numbers, just to fill the date, here simply apply formula quantity minus utilized. That's it. After that, how much quantity utilized? You just use formula SUMIFS equal to SUMIFS. A sum range needs to be given from outwards. Just take quantity, freeze, comma, then need to give criteria range. Criteria range should be given from outwards. Just give from reference number, freeze, comma, then come to stock, give criteria from here, reference, comma, again go to outwards, criteria range should be product ID range, freeze, comma, reference should be stock, bracket close, enter. You just copy. After that, this is your option 1. How many times same reference number used? Out count. For that, just use COUNTIFS. First criteria range should be from outwards. You just give reference number, range, freeze, comma, come to stock, reference number, comma, then outwards, product criteria range, freeze, comma, then stock, product ID, bracket close, enter. So automatically how many times the same reference number is used, you will get. Like this you can able to control stock status report. If you like this video, please share it, comment it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.